Hello dear Gemini, welcome to my channel and this is your weekly reading Love Plus Career. This is going to be from 15th till the 21st of September. If you have a question on your mind, please do think about it. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your love life, you've got the 9 of stars and the 1 of suns. You could be dealing with a fellow Gemini or Cancer in love, or you could have a Cancer too in your own birth chart. Western astrology, North Indian, South Indian, right? Sun, moon, or rising, please do check it if you're confused about your sign. I do see that in the past you have been hurt, right? That somebody left you, abandoned you, did not choose you, or there have been struggles in your love. Things have never been smooth. There has always been ups and downs. But I do feel that because of everything that has happened in the past, you have somewhere lost all hope. It's a very hopeless situation where you're still carrying the guilt or fear of the past situations into your future. Like you have made a point that it's never going to happen for you. Love is never going to happen for you, or you are never going to get the right partner, or you're never going to get married. That is what your thought process right now. Well, let me clarify one thing for you. You are completely wrong. Just because something happened to you in the past doesn't mean it's going to repeat itself. Look at this card. The sun is going to shine on you again, my dear. A new beginning, a new relationship, a new love, new marriage, a new baby coming into your life, pregnancy related news coming into your life is all possible. No matter what happened to you in the past, this week is going to show you brightness, show you new beginnings as well. But it also says that if you're going to sit back, relax, and think that everything is going to happen on its own, that is not going to happen this week. This card talks about sowing, reaping what you sow, right? As you can see, it is a seed that you have sown and now you're getting the rewards for that. You will only get the rewards in love if you make the effort. So if you want to get back with someone, if you want to patch things up, you'll have to make equal amount of efforts as well. If you want to look for a soulmate, then you will have to go out there, meet people, join dating apps, matrimonial apps, talk to people, right? If you think by sitting in the comforts of your home, everything will get resolved on its own, that's not going to happen. But new beginnings are waiting for you. So please just take that first step and automatically you'll see that everything will align for you very, very soon. So this week is going to be very positive as compared to whatever you're feeling in your heart. So please start thinking positively so that you can attract this thing to you. And do comment, I claim this energy if you want to claim this positive energy for yourself. Now let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the prophetess and the page card. I do see that your intuition is telling you something about your career, whether you are studying for an exam, competitive exam, whether you have applied for a job, whether you have your own business, whether you're waiting on a promotion. Your intuition is constantly guiding you and it is going to be very active this week. I also see that when you go and ask for a feedback from someone, there is someone who's very intelligent, very smart, very dedicated, but they sometimes sugarcoat things. Now, the people around you are sugarcoating things because maybe they don't want to hurt you. Maybe they don't want to be the bad one. Maybe they don't want to be brutally honest. Or maybe they think that you are eventually going to find out anyway, right? So your performance related work, your studies, your marks, if somebody tells you that you're doing fine or your kid is doing fine, there's no problem, deep down they know that there is some problem. However big or small, it doesn't matter. It's just that this person is sugarcoating things. So if you know that there is something wrong, or maybe I need to put more efforts, or I know that my teacher is trying to be nice or my boss is trying to be nice, but I know that this is the area I need to improve, then you please start working towards it, because your boss, your teacher, your mentor, your customers might not be able to tell you the truth this week. They might be extra sweet and sugarcoat things, but that doesn't mean that's an honest feedback, right? And trust me, they don't mean bad. They're not trying to harm you here. It's just that why to be the bad person? That is what their thought process this week is. So if you feel your intuition is telling you that you need to work harder, or change a product, or change a price, or maybe change the strategy of your studies, then please do that. Listen to your intuition this week, and that is what is going to guide you better in your work rather than other people this week. So please, I hope you follow this guidance this week. This will really help you and guide you to make this week smoother. And if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. If you would like to book any reading, if you think you have very specific questions which were not covered in this general reading, you can book a personal reading with me. I take rituals, I have packages, love readings, no contact readings and counseling sessions as well. To book any service, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly follow and DM me on Instagram, which is the Moksha Tarot. You'll get the prices. You will be able to make the bookings as well. I also have audio video sessions available with a different price. You can go for that as well if you think you really need to speak to me for a longer number of hours, or if you have unlimited questions that you want to go for. So check out the description box for more information. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel. Take care of yourself and I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.